move it.
Ang cute.
Clap your hands, everybody. Everybody, clap your hands.
Galing.
All right, ladies, show me your presents.
Oh, yeah. Is that you and Anika?
And the flipper dancing.
Ang galing nitong isa, no?
To the water, to the water valley. Twist it and turn it. Come on, Sandra. Nice. Twist it.
Ang galing nitong kanan, ano?
And around the world we'll go. Round it. So how do you think you get the balls? It's a ball dance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. It's better.
They can balance. Balance nila.
Alright, I think we got everything.
Clapping pa.
Balls in the rings and the rings in the balls. Now let's move on. Shake those booties. Come on, ready first? Yeah,
Uy, palo siya, palo.
First, they can achieve a first speed up. Two, ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. And that is surely a pass. How about the round of applause for Sandra? The sexy, yes. Good job, Sandra.
The sexiest.
1, 2, 3, 4, hop, two, salute. Now, this time, guys, could you please join our Sila and friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one lap. Alright, guys, are you ready? Guys, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Ready?
Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. My name is Jenny. Together with
Dati meron ako ng ano, wipes.
Hi.
Pinunasan ako.
While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lion.
They're both female.
And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest.
Sexiest?
Don't be shy, girl. Her
shy
name is
siya?
Sandra. Together with
Shy?
the bird, say hello.
Oh, yun.
Now let's continue.
Not fat.
So guys, do you
Sexy is
have
not
any
fat.
idea why they are called pink
Sexy
or
is not
red
fat.
with marine mammals? Any idea?
It's a good
Do you have
looking
feathers?
body.
Well, let's ask
That's
them.
sexy.
Hey ladies,
The meaning of sexy.
do you have feathers?
Yes.
Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing.
Look at you.
See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as swim-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, ladies?
Mommy,
And you know, they often think like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between the seal and the sea lions are they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can
Drinks
walk
daw
upright
daw.
while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about the round of applause for sea lion friends?
Clap. Yeah, clap ikaw, clap.
And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible.
They're
neck.
getting treats
How
after they
flexible?
do the
Check
tricks.
these out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends?
Clap, clap.
As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And the whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. What a nice smile! Hey!
Ano siya?
The ears
Ayoko
give you a
daw.
sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any bite, they inhabit water
Ayun na,
close to shore.
swim na sila.
Flat blankets with bifolds. And they have a
Close your
practical rocky
Ayun na. Wow.
land.
Clap, clap, baby, clap.
Very strong front flippers. And now let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Jenny, the smartest. Sea lions are generally cruise out around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder or steering. And that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Trainer Bird and Yenny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Sandra, 25 miles per hour. And that is surely a pass.
As fast as our e-bike.
How about a round of applause for Sandra, the sexy yes. Good job, Sandra.
The sexiest.
Ooh, nice.
Anong name niya, ate? Sandra? What?
She deserves it.
It's your mom?
So here's an interesting story about
Shy na
our
naman
sea
siya.
lion. Did you know US Navy has
Shy.
trained a few of them to take part in special operation? Yeah, even the best Navy divers
Dive.
would be accused of. And since cannot be detected
Sabi ni
by
Bibi, they can die.
water, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater bombs.
I can only hold my breath
Alright,
for
ladies.
2 seconds.
Yan, nabibiyahin na
You
sila.
ready?
Tricks na sila.
Golden salute. Now let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute. Now this time, guys, could you please join our sea lion friends in a salute? And the count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one lap. Alright, guys, are you ready? Guys, I can hear you. Are you ready?
Ready?
Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody.
Salute! Salute!
Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water.
Maybe she don't have...
H2O. Alright, but first, the rings. Alright, ladies, get those rings. And they got it. I want a round of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. You got your flag there. And they asked.
Later will get the ball, maybe.
Okay, winners. After the rings, what next? We have the balls. So how do you think you get the balls? It's a ball dance. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Is that it?
They can balance. Balance nila.
Alright. Alright, I think we got everything.
Clapping pa.
Balls in the rings and the rings in the balls. Now let's move on.
Hmm.
Now this time, guys, would you love to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Hey guys,
Yeah?
where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Now, wiggle maestro.
Dancing baby.
Come on,
Apat na.
winners, sea lion friends.
They dance apat na.
Look at them.
Let's move it.
Ang cute.
Clap your hands, everybody. Everybody, clap your hands.
Ah, galing.
All right, ladies, show me the side by side.
Oh, yeah. Is that you and Anika?
And the Malayper dancing
Ang galing nito isa, no?
Lag.
into the water for the water ballet. Twist it and turn it. Come on, Sandra. Nice. Twist it.
Ang galing nitong kanan, ano?
And around the world we'll go. Round dance. Come on, ladies. Show them the boogie boogie dance.
Boogie-boogie? What?
Shiggy bum, shiggy bum.
Sige bang.
And the favorite part, the booty shake. Shake those booties. Come on, Benny first. Yeah, bye.
Boy, ay, palo siya, palo.
Keep on rolling. Nice.
Ay, nawala na.
All right, ladies, show them what you
Oh,
got.
slide.
And ready.
That's what Adrian is doing in the mall.
Steady, yeah? For the green noise. Steady. And let's go. Yeehaw. How about the round of applause for Sina Dress?
Baby.
That's number 8. And the one with the famous is called.
Ang galing ng mami mo.
Nandito lang ako para manood, para kumain.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Patika with the new Bond friends, South American Sea Lions, Yenny and Sandra. And also hope that even after your leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do
Swim na
here
siya.
on land greatly affects our friends in the sea.
She's near the
Sea
audience.
lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a trashful environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and
Like it?
illegal hunting.
Like it?
You can learn more about this inside the Oceanarium. Always keep it